Nick, my name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Lawn Barber LLC. So the first question is usually on the lines of why you should do this. Well, Nick, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and the company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over is your content. So I did a quick word counter on your website, and it shows that you have about 600 words currently. But in order for your business to be fully optimized Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. So in comparison to one of your competitors, I'll be doing Summit Lawn and Landscape. So in comparison with them, they have about 789 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now this is still very beatable, but this shows how rich core content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. So every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So when I do a quick search on this tool called Ahrefs, this shows what your site's actually ranking for and what it's dense with. So Lawn Barber or kclawnbarber.com, that's your site. You have about 25 backlinks, 9 referring domains, and 22 organic keywords. So as you can see, you're doing pretty good with the Lawn Barber keyword being in your content. So this is about 150 search volume for the Lawn Barber. And it's a 6 KD to rank, so you're doing pretty good with the KD rank on this guy. And you're bringing about 19 people per month out of the 150 ranking for or searching for the Lawn Barber. But if we go down to their third most used keyword, you have the Yard Barber. You're only ranked number 10 in this. And this is bringing in 90 people per month. You're only getting about 2.1. Now this would be a lot easier ranked than the Lawn Barber because it's only a 0 KD compared to a 6 KD. Same thing with just Lawn Barber. You're bringing about 4.1 people out of the 150 because you're ranked number 5. So being ranked number 1, that's where you want to be, and that's where you get the most traffic out of the volume. Now you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword and what it does for your content. Let's go to your competitor. They have about 402 organic keywords. So since their keyword is Summit Lawn Landscaping, and they have about 150 volume being searched and a 3 KD, they're bringing about 48 people per month out of the 150 because they're ranked number 1. Now same thing with the second one, Summit Lawn and Landscape. 100 volume being searched for this keyword, 0 KD, very easy to rank, and they're bringing about 33 people because they're ranked number 1. So moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this in the Google Map Pack or Maps. So doing a search for Least Summit Lawn Care, that's where your business is located. If I'm incorrect, you can please give me some feedback on that. But you can see what I do, Least Summit Lawn Care. When I go to the map pack, you can see the business's name, the address of the business, and the phone number, aka NAPS. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in MAPS? Well, besides the ratings, the best way to do it is through citations. So these citations is what ranks you in the maps besides your ratings. And you can see your site is dense with about 19 citation sources, which only about probably 12-ish are being ranked as credible. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on, and Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. Now, for the third thing I'd like to go over with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So when you see, I go back to Least Summit Lawn Care and I go to organic rankings, you have your ads on top, and you have in the first position for organic listing, you have Lawn Starter, but let's not count them. You have Summit Lawn at number 1, True Green number 2, and Heritage Lawn KC number 3. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, you simply put it works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for example, if you were to have Yelp linking back to you or True Green linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like Pizza Hut linking back at you because you don't link pizzas for a living. Now I'll pull up Ahrefs again, and if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that sites me. So as you can see, you have about 25 backlinks. And you're scrolling down and see every single site that's linking back to your webpage and what keywords are used for that backlink. And since you see you have that, you can check out your competitors. Go to their backlinks. And looking down, you can see every single link linking back to their website and what keywords they're using to make them backlinks. So you can take every single one and make them your own. So once again, went over content, citations, and backlinks. So content, you want at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage so you can be optimized with Google. And any service pages, location pages, or about pages, you would like at least 700 so you can be fully optimized with Google for that page. And for your citations, you want at least 100 to 200 so you can be in the top of the map pack, maybe even more, for this is a high SEO niche, and there's reasons why. So 200 or 300 at least to be at the competition by a landslide. And you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. Link juice. So if you implement these strategies today, you'll be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information today or do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a good one.